How to use. Record of photographs. Makeup removal. Remove all accessories and metal objects from the customer's body. Apply the blackhead remover on dampened cotton pads on the face where there are more black and white heads. Cover eye area and use hot spray for 5 minutes. Aquafacial Hydrodermabrasion handle. Choose the solution bottle according to the nature of the skin and pores. Adjust the suction power and water output. Press and hold for 1 second. Then rotate and pick up. Hold and move 1 to 2 centimeters. Evenly cover the face with the operation. Microdermabrasion handle. Attach the appropriate operating head to the handle. Attach the appropriate operating head to the handle. Wipe the skin with a wet cotton pad to keep the skin moist. Press and hold for 1 second. Then rotate and pick up. Suction and move 1 centimeter. Before operation, you need to open the pores with hot spray or blackhead remover. Ultrasonic scrubber handle. Wipe the skin with a wet cotton pad in one hand to keep the skin in a moist state. Move slowly against the skin. Hydrogen-oxygen sprayer handle. Pour essence water or pure water into the transparent bottle. Finger break the switch on the spray gun and wait for about 10 seconds to have water sprayed out. Apply gel or serum evenly. Apply to the skin in a slow circular motion. Facial ultrasound handle. Apply essence evenly. Lift along the chin to under the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Circle along the chin to under the ear. The corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Circle on both sides of the nose. Circle the forehead to the left and right sides. The other face operates the same. Eye ultrasound handle. Apply eye ultrasound evenly. Circle along the inner corner of the eye to the temple and the outer corner of the eye to the temple. Lift along the inner corner of the eye to the temple and the outer corner of the eye to the temple. Intensify the action on the areas with severe fine lines. Oxygen renewal bubble pen handle. Circle along the chin to the bottom of the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Lift in the direction of chin to under ear, corner of mouth to middle of ear, nose to upper ear. Circle the forehead to the left and right sides. The other face operates the same. Even application of facial gel. Slowly circle along the chin to below the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and nose to the top of the ear. Lift along the chin to under the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Combine with hand lifting. Circle the forehead to the left and right sides. Do the same for the other side of your face. V-shape face lifting handle. Even application of facial gel. After touching the skin in the tap start on the screen or on the handle. With the long end up, snap the jawline and lift the operation from the chin to behind the ear. Combined with hand lifting. Lift the forehead towards the hairline. 4-polar roller handle. Even application of facial gel. Rolling lifting operation along the direction of chin to below the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and nose to above the ear. Combination of hand lifting. Lift the forehead towards the hairline. Select the color of corresponding light according to the demand. Rolling operation in the direction of chin to below the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and nose to the top of the ear. Lift the forehead towards the hairline. Head. Combine with scalp essence and work on the scalp by combing the hair. Micro needling pen handle. Micro needle. Apply the freeze-dried powder or the product to be introduced. Operate on the skin in a circular or moving motion. High-frequency handle. Oily skin can be operated directly. Dry skin needs to apply gel or lotion. Operate by touching and circling. Intensive operation on acne or post-needle clearing areas. Operate in the way of pointing and pressing to stay for 1 second. Operate 3 to 5 times for each place. Cleansing. Ozone I don't handle. No need to apply products to keep the skin moisturized. In the area after acne or needle clearing, operate by tapping and holding for 1 second. You can hear the sound of CZ and smell the ozone odor. 5 strokes per area. LED therapy mask. Apply the mask. Put the eye mask on the client. Time adjustment 0–30 minutes. Choose the color of light according to your needs. Epidermal anesthetic. Apply povidone iodine to the operation site. Gently touch the epidermis of the area to be operated, paying attention to the movements to be gentle and accurate. A black scab will form on the operated area. Use a cotton swab to gently wipe away the carbonized tissue. After the operation, apply a restorative solution to promote wound healing. This is a comprehensive beauty instrument, can cover the face, neck, eyes, head and other items. There are 18 function handles you can use according to the handle function with the use of